Hello, and welcome to The Social Stack, your go-to channel for social media and marketing tips and tricks for real estate businesses. I'm Amy Stack, and today I'm actually going to go over how to add your Download My App widget to your Keller Williams Command website. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and start at my dashboard inside Command. I'm going to come all the way down to the consumer app icon on the bottom here. Just double click that to open that up. And then we're going to hit create new site in the top right. We're going to choose to add it to our current website. So on my agent site, go ahead and hit that create page button. What we're going to do now is make a page on your website that will prompt people to download your KW app. So you don't have to always send them the text code or have a friend send it to them, anything like that. If somebody is perusing the site, they will be able to get that code to get your branded app right from your webpage. Okay, so I'm going to title it, and this is just for you to see. The public won't see that title. And then on the far right, you'll see there's a widget called Download My App. So you just want to click and hold that and drag it over to the left-hand side until you see that green bar, and let go. That's pretty simple. You're just going to hit Configure Widget if you want to change anything. Click that Download My App here. And maybe you want it to say Download My KW App instead of the KW App, so you just edit what's in that headline there. And then same thing here. You can also make it your team name, or if you want to write in the third person, you could do that too. So I could say like Download Amy's app instead of my app. You can see the code fed right in because it is through command, so it already knows what you're doing here. We're going to go ahead and hit Save and Apply. And we're going to go ahead and then hit Save Changes. Hit Yes. And what this has done is actually created that page. Now we want to go ahead and make it live on the website. So to do that, go up to the top right and hit Site and App Settings. And then the top right of that white box, you're going to hit Site Pages. And on this section, we will name our page and add it to the website. So the bottom left corner, we want to choose Add Page. And these are all of the pages we have created. We want to add the app page, so click that little button there. Go ahead and hit Continue. And then the page title. This is the name of the page that will show up in your dropdown from your main homepage on your KW site. So you could do something like download my app or free real estate app or something along those lines. And then your slug is what's going to come up after your slash. So Suzanne's website is sguthrie.kw.com/ and then it'll be your slug. So I'm just going to put app. And then if you're using SEO optimization keywords, you can put those in here. When you're done, go ahead and hit Save Page Changes. And now it should be live on our website. So I'm going to open up her site. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh. When this loads, we're going to click that drop-down menu. My internet's a little slow today, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so let's click that drop-down menu, and then you can see Download My App is the last option there. So that loaded in just fine. And here's the page. You can see you always have your lead capture form and your footer automatically populated in there. Okay. So that one is one of the quickest widgets, I think, to use. So if you guys are looking for more information like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can also go ahead and leave a comment with any questions you have about this, and check back for more videos later. Thanks for stopping by.